There's two huge sheds over here.
There is. And they're very well built.
They really are. So we're gonna delete one just because of the space.
Probably delete the first one and then keep the one in the back.
Yeah. And then the fence is staying. We're just gonna power wash the fence, re-stain. Just that gate over there will need to be replaced, but we'll make it match everything else. But yeah, it's a bummer that we gotta get rid of one of the sheds because it's in really good shape.
That one we're keeping.
This one is, right?
I think you gotta keep.
Oh, it's okay. You don't need to. I'll just show this. See, look at that. Yeah, pretty good shape. I definitely want to reuse it. I don't want to demo it and just dump it in the trash. If anybody wants it, hit me up. But I'm pretty sure we can disassemble and reassemble somewhere else. But that'll be at least be a nice.
Kimo Sabi.
At least that'll be a nice area for them.